Welcome to N22 News, your trusted source for global updates and breaking headlines. You're watching N22 News, where every minute counts and every headline matters.
Optus has confirmed a fourth death linked to its nationwide network outage on Thursday, after emergency 000 calls failed across several states for more than 13 hours, sparking public outrage and multiple investigations into the telco's handling of the crisis. Among the victims were an 8-week-old baby in South Australia, 2 elderly people in WA and SA, and now a fourth person in Western Australia, with police confirming attempts to reach emergency services during the blackout. Meanwhile, in Sydney's southwest, police actions are under review after a domestic violence incident in Lurnea left a 58-year-old woman critically injured and her 60-year-old husband dead shortly after being taken into custody. Authorities have declared a critical incident, with oversight from the Professional Standards Command and the Law Enforcement Conduct Commission, as questions grow over police handling and broader community safety.